Como ça va, YouTube? Danny here at Cajun Hydroponics. Boy, we got it going on. I tell you, I've made a lot of friends here on YouTube, and I wanted to share them out with y'all. Y'all might not know all my friends. You know, there's a big gardening community people on here on YouTube, and we want to go ahead and share them out. I want to share out my Padnahs and farms. Here in Louisiana, a Padnah is like your best friend, almost a brother. So I figured it'd be good to start a Padnahs and farms update once a week to show everybody, you know, my people that's been encouraging me and, you know, pushing me and motivating me throughout, you know, my time here on YouTube. You know, some of them have big channels, some of them have small channels, some of them just started a channel. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna share that out, and we're gonna try to do it once a week, see how this works out, if I could stay on task and be able to do it. So y'all follow along. All right, so this week, the #1 installment of Padnahs and Farms is gonna actually be 2. I have 2 Padnahs that I wanna go ahead and shout out to. One of them is my Padnah Phil, and the other one is my Padnah Cajun Rob. Both of them have been around since basically I moved back from Ohio. Met them both on the Bayou Gardener Forum, the original one, and they're both great people. They both encouraged me, showed me so much, and you know, just kept me moving along, you know, in my garden adventure. Rob helped me talk Pop into helping with my first hydroponic greenhouse. Pop didn't want nothing to do with it. So, you know, called up Cajun Rob. We'd been talking for a while. Hey, brother, you mind if I go ride by your house with Pop? Show him your little greenhouse and the hydroponics so you can take a taste test. We walked in the greenhouse. They had 1 tomato on the plant that was red. Pop walked over to it, grabbed it, and took a bite. Didn't ask if he could have it. Didn't ask if it was for somebody. Nothing like that. He just walked over, took a bite. Cajun Rob was like, go for it, man. Pop loved it. That's how the hydroponic greenhouse got kicked off. From there, we got back that afternoon and we started. My partner Phil had never met the man before. We were putting the sides on the side of the greenhouse. We've been talking back and forth on the forum through email and stuff like that for probably close to a year, maybe a little bit more. And he's like, hey, can I go check out the greenhouse? Yep. So, you know, he came over, dude showed up in work boots and gave us a hand. Super awesome. You know, not expecting that. We're just expecting a good visit, talk about what was going on, how we do what we're doing, you know, and all that. But those 2 guys are there, some great friends, great motivation. You know, it's just hard to say enough about them. You know, I've met a lot of great people here on YouTube. You're gonna, over the next few weeks, few months, maybe year, as long as we keep this up, you know, you're gonna see, you know, some people I talk to regular on a daily basis, others I talk to once in a while, but they're all some great people. Rob's channel is Primal Cajun, big channel. I say big compared to me. He does a lot of cooking. You know, he does some growing. He has a small hydroponic greenhouse. Doesn't show it a whole bunch. He's more cooking, but he does a great job with everything. Phil, getting ready to put him up a small greenhouse. Well, he has a small greenhouse. He's getting ready to put up a little bit bigger, larger greenhouse. He grows hydroponics. He grows in tubs. He's trying to self-wicking. He actually put out his first 2 videos in the last month showing the progress. Both of them's great. You know, Rob's Primal Cajun on YouTube. Phil is going to be the Gro Farms. CROGRO Farms. I'm not sure if that's how he has his channel name labeled yet, and I don't want to give that out because it's his personal name. But we will be, you know, he's gonna be getting in on it. You know, it's so much fun to have people to hang out with and talk. You know, a lot of my friends don't like doing that. So talking with Rob, Phil, you know, Mr. CB, Todd, Tim, Mr. Homer, Eric, you know, I've met so many great people on here, and, you know, we hope to keep this going, and, you know, starting with Shed Wars. I'm not sure if Rob and Phil's going to be in Shed Wars, but look out, Shed Wars 2020. If you want to be on the winning team, make sure it's mine. But y'all go ahead and check out Rob and Phil, Primal Cajun, and the Gro Farms. And, we just go from there. Hope y'all enjoy the people. I hope y'all enjoy the short conversation. Y'all have a great day. South Louisiana, boy. You gotta love it. Y'all grow that. Later.